Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the missing number calculations. So you can see here it's a multiplication of two digit with one digit. So here for the first question, if you observe here, the number next to 9 is missing, but the answer or the product is given here as 720. So when you look at the units place or ones place, the answer is 0. So our thought process should be in such a way that what number should be multiplied with 8 so that you will get a number whose units place will be 0. So the option is one first option is 0 because any number multiplied with 0 is will be 0. So I'm trying to do with 0 first. So I'm going to place 0 here and I'm going to try it out. So 0 times 8 is 0 and 8 has to be multiplied with 9 soon after the multiplication done with 0. So we know that 9 times 8 is 72 and in the answer it is given as 72. So the correct option is 0. Hope you understood this. We can move to the second question in the similar way. We can do the second question as well. Here, the digit in the tens place is missing and it's given in the units place it is 7. So let's start doing it. We know that 2 times 7 is 14. So here it is written 4 in the ones place or units place. We can say ones place or units place. So 4 is written here. And so the carry 1 has to go here. So I'm writing the carry over here. And so something has to be multiplied with 2 that added with 1, we need to get 7. So 2 times a number which should give a number which is 1 less than 7. That means it should be 6. So 2 times what gives you 6? Yes, absolutely. 2 times 3 gives us 6. When 2 times 3 is 6, the 6 added with a carry 1 gives us 7. Going to the third question, again we can see here the answer is provided to us. It's 426. The product is given as 426. The second number, the single digit number is missing and the two digit number is provided to us. So what should be multiplied with 1 to get 6? So the first option which comes to our mind is 6. So I'm going to just place the 6 over here. So I'm going to test this whether my assumption is correct or not. When I put 6 times 1, I'm getting 6. But that is not enough. I need to multiply with 7. So 6 times 7 is 42. Yes, in the answer it is provided as 42. So 6 is the correct option. Moving over to the fourth question. Here you can see that the two-digit number or in the two-digit number, the digit in the tens place is missing. So let's do the calculation. When you do 9 times 7, we know we'll start doing the multiplication first with the digits in the ones place. So 7 times 9, we know that it is 63. So we'll write 3 here and 6 is our carry over here. I'm putting the carry over here. This is our carry, 6. Now what should be added with 6 to get 48? So what should be added with 6 to get 48? That's how we have to think. We know that 6 times 7, a number very close to 48 in 7 timetable. It is 6 times 7. We know 6 times 7 is 42. So if I just randomly, if I put 6 here, 6 times 7, 42, and 42 plus the carry 6. Yes, I'm getting the 48. Yes, it is correct. I'm getting 48. Now, going to the number fifth problem, we can see here again 1 times something should give 6 And you can see here the product it is given has 246, and in ones place or in the units place the number is 6, and in the hundreds and the tens place it is 2 and 4. That means 24. We have to get 24. So we'll think in such a way that what number should be multiplied with 1 so that I will get 6. So the first easy option is 6. I'm going to put the 6 here. Yes, 1 times 6 is 6. And you'll start doing with 6. The 4, you have to multiply 4 with 6. And see 6 times 4 is 24, which is the answer. So that is also correct. Then we'll move to the sixth question. If you look at the sixth question, we know that something has to be multiplied with 5 so that we'll get 5. And after doing the multiplication of 5 with a missing number, we have to do the multiplication with 8 and 5, right? So 8 times 5 is 40. Okay, so we are getting 40 here, there is 40 here. So it's clear, then we have to multiply 5 with some number so that you will get 5. So that is for sure it will be 1. So I'm placing 1 here. 5 times 1, any number which is multiplied with 1, we'll get the same number as the answer. So 5 times 1, 5, and 5 times 8, 40. Going to the seventh question. 9 times 6. What is 9 times 6? 9 times 6 is 54. That 4 is written here, and the 5 is carry, goes to here. And 6 has to be multiplied with some number here on this missing place, so that answer plus 5, we should get number 41. So think about a number which is very close to 41 in the sixth timetable, but it should be less than 41 because the answer has to be added with 5. Then after that we have to get 41, not before that. So 6 times what is a number? 6 times 6 is 36, and 6 times 7 is 42, which exceeds 41. So I'm trying it out with 6. So 6 times 6 is 36. 36 plus 5, I'm getting 41. So this is the seventh question's answer. Moving on to the eighth one. Again, as we did for the first question, we can see here something has to be multiplied with 8. So we have to get the 0 as in the ones place or in the units place. And look here, you can see 7 times 8. We know it is 56. That is the answer here. So without any doubt, we can do 0 times 8. I'm going to place 0 here. So 0 times 8 is 0. And 7 times 8 will get 56 as answer. So that's it for the today's class. Hope you have understood how to find out the missing number. Thank you. That's it for today's class. If you like this video, please like this video, subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you.